Hi there. Today we are going to do an AI fashion shoot for Virgio using Caimera. So here I've selected the product. It's a red dress we're working with today. And there are three ways to begin. I can either insert this beautiful red dress in this image that I've already generated, or I could shoot with a reference, maybe a reference of Virgio's own Instagram, or I could create campaign ideas in line with the brand's website. Let's begin. I think this is my favorite one. I want to insert this red dress in it. I'm going to just quickly go and see if there is anything here in the prompt that I needed to change. Oh, it just says dollar product, and dollar product is going to be now Virgio's dress. Okay, and I'm going to just shoot it. I'm going to also shoot it with a couple of random seeds. Okay, and so I can only generate 6 at a time. Let's go create campaign ideas in the meanwhile. Now, editorial ideas, I'm looking for an Instagram post. Let's generate some ideas. Now it's going to virgio.com. It also understands that this is a red dress. And now it's going to look for ideas in line with the brand's own website. It is reading both text and images. So since Virgio talks about sustainability and inclusivity, it's going to generate ideas in line with that. It understands the targeting of the brand as well. And I can argue with it once I get the ideas if I want a certain direction to be taken. Eco elegance connects brand sustainability values with luxury positioning through nature inspired setting and dramatic lighting. I like this one. I think this is a cool one to try. But I want to go into make the ideas in New York on a model with brown hair. I say woman because I want a regular woman. And our shoot for the other dress is already going on, for the other image is already going on in the background. We're just mood boarding right now, which is a typical process. Before you do a photo shoot, you always mood board. And mind you, these are going to be unique ideas and not ideas that the brand has already done. And this is a rough set. This is not the dress. This is in the direction of the dress, just to mood board. I love this. I love Manhattan Sunrise. I'm going to select it, finalize selected scene. This is done to not have to prompt because not everybody in the world or creatives are actually prompt engineers. So we've completely eliminated that. But should you want control on it, you can come here and read the prompts and edit them yourself. Okay, I like this. This is super cool. I like this. Super nice. Okay, so should you have the image that you want, you can now introduce the garment in it. So I'm going to click on try on product and find the closest pose to this one. I think this one with the belt looks good, and this one without the belt too. I think I'm gonna go with this without the belt. Now I have to draw on where I want to bring the dress. Okay. And I like to fire it a couple of times so that I can choose the best pose and look when the output comes in. And I'm going to favorite this image because that's the one I'm working on. I haven't chosen the others. That's a very nice one too. Oh, I like this. I'm going to try this too. I'm going to favorite it. And I'm going to try and do try on top of this. And let's do it with a belt this time. I'm just going to take the hand in because it's kind of in the middle of the dress. Okay, let's check if this one has come in. Aha, we have the dress. Now let's select which one we like the most, this or this. I like the fitting here. It's cooler, chiller. We can check the third one once it comes in. And let's look at the ideas that have come in from the ideas in the campaign tool. And here, I'm gonna remove this one hand touching the hair. I'm not a fan of the necklace too. Okay, and shoot. And now if this is the same seed, my composition here will remain the same, whereas the ones with random seed will have a new composition. And obviously you could get into the concept of what a seed is in another full video, but just to give you a sense, the seed is the information around the composition of the image. Great, let's introduce the garment in here. I think I'm gonna go with this one again without the belt. And actually I can just erase that necklace if I don't like it, because you have all the advanced image editing tools on the left. You have an erase tool, a draw tool that you can use to remove all of that. Okay. And the new ones have also loaded, which don't have the hand on the face. I love this shot. Super nice. Obviously the hands are twisted, so we might need another direction, but here they're not. This is lovely. Oh, this is lovely too. This would come out really nice and super real looking. Okay, but we're here and we'll check our third try on and select which one we like best. This one, or this one. I feel like here you have the most accurate dress and the length. This is also cool, but here is the most accurate. So I'm going to upscale this one. And that's it, we're done. I can download the upscaled image and it's ready to post.